Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the Hofmann carbalamine reaction as well as we have also did the Hofmann exhaustive methylation. And now in this topic we are going to talk about the Hinsberg test. So what is this test? Let me talk about in this topic. So friends, Hinsberg test is nothing but the reaction of an amine with benzyl sulfonyl chloride, and that is what we can produce a product, and that product, based on that we could determine whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary. So now that's the reason the name is Hinsberg test. So now let me give you the general reaction for the first one, that is what is the action of that is benzene sulfonyl chloride on primary amine. So for that we have, suppose if we are considering the primary amine, that is RNH2, and suppose if we are reacting it with benzene sulfonyl chloride, and that is what I am drawing the structure over here. This is benzene sulfonyl chloride. So in this case, basically this Cl along with this H, it will be removed as a byproduct in the form of HCl, while the remaining and the main product, that is what we have, is RNH. Here will be S double bond O, and this is a benzene that would be attached over here. So therefore the name of this product, that is what we have obtained, is known as N-alkyl, because on this nitrogen an alkyl group has been present. So therefore N-alkyl, it is benzene that has been attached to the sulfonyl group, so therefore the name is N-alkyl benzyl sulfonyl, and this is nothing but an amide group, so therefore sulfonyl amide. So this is the product that we have obtained over here. So now let me elaborate about this hydrogen atom. So this hydrogen atom in this sulfonyl amide is very much acidic in nature, and that's the reason it will be very much reactive with strong base like KOH. So and it will be soluble in that also. So on acidification, this compound, it will get regenerated, and that is how basically we can differentiate whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary. So this is what I was talking about, this the primary amine, or the reaction of primary amine with benzyl sulfonyl chloride. And now let me talk about the secondary one. So talking about the secondary reaction, that is the reaction of secondary amine, that is what I am mentioning over here. Suppose if it is reacted with benzyl sulfonyl chloride, so the byproduct that we could obtain over here is, I would write it over here as RMR. This one will be S double bond O, here will be S double bond O, and this is benzene. So the name of this compound, that is what we have obtained, is known as N, dialkyl benzene sulfonyl amide. So if you observe here, that is there is no acidic hydrogen atom that has been attached to nitrogen atom over here. So that's the reason it won't be that much soluble in KOH, and that's the reason that we could easily differentiate whether we have reacted, or whether the reaction is with a primary amine or whether it is reacted with a secondary amine. So by doing that test, we can easily determine the primary as well as secondary amine. So now talking about the tertiary amine. Tertiary amines, they don't react with benzyl sulfonyl chloride because of the unavailability of this hydrogen atom, and that's the reason that we could easily, that is, judge whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary. So this is known as Hinsberg test. So that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.